While you're selecting water filtration systems, how to choose. Today we will teach you how to choose filters for your conditions. Here we are self-cleaning filter, white tap filter, basket filter, and scrap filter. The first one is self-cleaning filter, suitable for various types of water and situations requiring conditions. Filtration. Choose a model and based on the amount of water processed and filtration accuracy required. White tap hand-operated filter suitable for field containing smaller particles of impurities such as cooling water and others. Ideal for limited spaces and situations where manual cleaning is required. Basket strainer filter suitable for flows containing a large amount of solid particles such as oil and sweat or large impurities. Consider the type and connection of impurities as well as the flow rate of the filter when making a selection. Scrapper filter suitable for high viscosity flows containing solid particles or fibers such as polymers and paints. When selecting, consider the viscosity of the float, type of impurities, and the automatic cleaning functions. In general, when selecting a filter, considering the characteristics of the float. By taking all these factors into consideration, you can quickly select the most suitable filter type. So if you still do not know how to choose a filter, you may contact us to get a professional suggestion from us.